The new M3 drone is an entry-level quadcopter designed to make aerial photography and flight accessible for beginners. With a focus on user-friendly controls, intelligent flight modes, and a high-definition camera, this drone offers a great blend of functionality and ease of use. It's the perfect choice for those who want to start exploring the world of drones without a significant investment. High-definition capture with EIS. The M3 is equipped with a 4K wide-angle Wi-Fi camera, allowing for stunning aerial shots and clear HD videos. The camera's angle can be easily switched up and down, and it features electronic image stabilization, EIS, to ensure your footage remains crystal clear and stable, even in light wind. This allows you to capture professional-grade imagery with ease. Intelligent flight modes for stable flying. This drone is built with beginners in mind, featuring intelligent flight modes that simplify the flying experience. The height hold mode, optical flow positioning, and fixed point hover technology work together to provide a stable and effortless flight. This means you can focus on getting the perfect shot without worrying about keeping the drone steady. Extended flight time and real-time monitoring. Powered by a high-capacity 3.7V 1300 mAh lithium battery, the M3 offers a respectable 20 minutes of continuous flight. The remote controller also features a built-in LCD power display to monitor the battery status at a glance, ensuring you don't lose control mid-flight. Customizable flight paths and app control. The M3 offers a unique customizable flight path feature, allowing you to draw a route directly within the mobile app. The drone will then follow this path autonomously, which is great for capturing complex scenes or tracking moving objects. The full control via the mobile app, with features like headless mode, 3D flips, and altitude hold, makes for an intuitive and responsive flying experience. Multiple remote control options. The M3 is available with different remote controllers. Some versions come with a 2.3-inch screen remote controller, while others have a larger 4.3-inch screen. This gives you the flexibility to choose the best option for your needs, with the larger screen providing a more immersive and direct FPV experience. In summary, the new M3 drone is a compelling choice for anyone looking for an affordable, user-friendly, and capable drone. Its combination of a high-definition 4K camera with EIS, intelligent flight modes for stable hovering, and a long flight time makes it a great value. Whether you're a beginner seeking a fun gift or a hobbyist looking for a reliable camera drone, the new M3 is an excellent tool for exploring the world from a new perspective. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more drone reviews, tips, and tutorials.